Now, I will explain a little about vector. In mathematics and physics, a vector is an element of a vector space. There are some parts of the vector. Number 1, translation of a plane. Number 2, vector algebra. Number 3, basic unit vector. Number 4, possession vector. Number 5, algebra with possession vector. And what will be discussed is translation of a plane, vector algebra, and basic unit vector. Translation of a plane. If you translate the graph y equals axz plus bx through its distance c in the y direction, its new equation is y equation ax squared plus bx plus c. In general, if you translate the graph y equals fx, a distance c unit in the y direction, its equation becomes y equals fx plus c. A practical way of doing this is to draw the graph on a transparent sheet placed over a coordinate grid, and then to move this sheet up the grid by c unit. Vector algebra. It is often convenient to use a single letter to stand for a vector. In French, bold type is used to distinguish vector from number. For example, in P equals bracket KL, P is a vector but K and L are number. Called the component of the vector P in the x and y direction. In handwriting, vectors are indicated by a wavy line underneath the letter. P equals bracket KL. It is important to get into the habit of writing vector in this way, so that it is quite clear in your work which letter stands for vector and which stands for number. If S is any number and P is any vector, then SP is another vector. If S greater than 0, the vector SP is a translation in the same direction as P but S times as length. If S less than 0, it is in the opposite direction, and S times as length. A number such as S is often called a scalar, because it usually changes the scale of the vector. Basic unit vector. If you apply the rules of vector algebra to a vector in column form, you can see that the vector bracket 1, 0 and vector 0, 1 which appear in this last expression are called basic unit vector in the x and y direction. They are denoted by the letter ing, so P equals Ki plus Lg. For example, 4 brackets 2, 3 minus 3, 3, 2 equals brackets minus 1, 6 equals 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, minus 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6 equals 8 minus 9, 12 minus 6 equals 8 minus 9 is minus 1, 12 minus 6 is 6. Or you can use 4 brackets 2, 3 minus 3 brackets 3, 2 equals brackets minus 1, 6. 4 times 2i plus 3g minus 3 times 3i plus 2g equals 4 times 2i is 8i, 4 times 3g is 2, minus 3 times 3i is minus 9i, minus 3 times 2g is minus 6g equals 8i plus 12g minus 9i minus 6g. 8i minus 9i is minus 1, 12g minus 6g is 9, so the result is the same.